Okay, we have a surprise. We have a question for you.
We have a question for you.
English count.
Okay, we have a question.
Hindi nakatabo. Can I have the question?
I'm confident.
Quiet. DJ, drop the beat.
Drop the beat.
Kamatis. Nipol pa na, hoy.
Magtulak ang bayan. My question is, what is the problem if the problem is you?
Kabalo.
My only problem is you.
Very good. And why?
That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Beginners 2000. Okay, I'll give my question.
For pop girls ay but gali. Alam niyo ng taon, no?
Sige. This is your question.
What's your question?
Bilang usa ka bayot, unsa ang mas importante para nimo?
Unfair kayo, Bisaya.
Taas nga dako or niwang nagamay ug ngano?
Taas nga dako.
Or niwang nagamay?
Niwang dako.
Dako tanan.
Nanilood.
Loading. Loading.
Bisaya or what? English?
English. English.
Qual phone?
Like me to speak English? Speak in English. Spanish. Qual phone? Qual liga? I prefer to choose the long, which is short. Long thick.
Thick. Big.
Long big.
Big skinny,
Okay.
but huge.
Okay.
I like
And
it
why?
because big is huge.
Okay.
Yes, because that's
Pero
all. Thank
consistency
you.
ang pulma ko eh.
Grabe ka chinila.
Grabe akong jacket, may giyong sayan.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
The reigning Miss Beginners!
Thank you so much, Miss Beginners 2011.
Okay, before we announce the winner,
Before we announce the winners,
we'll have a little party. Okay, dance everybody.
Okay.
Woo!
determine the best in talent.
Best in talent. Pablo.
Okay, thank you so much, contestant. Queen Miss Gainers 2011. Alright? Tindog na tindog.
Naibog siya na po eh. Papang ko ng Regina.
Sabay? Sige na to. Alright. So let me start with the minor awards.
Miss Congeniality. Miss Friendship.
Dili ko kasi mo ni mo bayad dili ron. Miss Friendship. Candidate
And we
number
received 20,000 pesos and
Picture frame.
towel.
Towel. So that you chill, take a bath.
Okay. And the winner for Miss Congeniality, who do you think? Pablo. Everybody's right. Pablo.
All right. DJ. Let's proceed with the best in costume. Who do you think is the best in costume?
Best in costume.
Yay! Got it right. Candidate number 1. Picture.
Picture. Picture. 1, 2.
All right.
Balimuran eh.
The next minor award is the best inspector.
Best speaker.
Best speaker.
Unggoy!
Best speaker is
Igpot!
candidate number 2
Uy, ako meron.
from Malaysia.
Oran eh.
Picture.
Picture. Sagtas. Wait.
Ang ako SARS.
Picture, picture.
Hindi lang eh. Ayun. Guwapa.
Picture. All right. The next minor award is the best in talent. And the best in talent goes to candidate number 4. Wow.
Thank you.
And then what can you say about your award, sir?
What can you say about your award?
I'll speak it in Spanish.
Pores de balasto.
Thank you so much, Miss Payne. All right, thank you so much for the major award. Our third runner-up is candidate number 3.
Ay, papro.
Thanks.
All right. Our second runner-up goes to candidate number 1.
I think Dave.
Dagan kay sila.
Okay, and the 2 remaining.
Can you please step forward? Pulingan.
Hawak niyo tao.
Drum roll! Ang champion kay Wall Clock.
All right.
We have here the best in speaker, best speaker, and the best in talent.
Best speaker and best in talent.
Patay.
All right. Who do you think will win? Candidate number 1 or number 4? Ay, 2 or 4? Okay, thank you so much. All right, and ang winner na.
We'll have the first runner-up first.
All right, so whoever the name is called, that's the first runner-up. All right, so our first runner-up is.
Ayaw yet?
All right, our first runner-up is candidate number 2. All right, congratulations, candidate number 2.
Ayan po, agoy!
Receive your.
First runner-up yun.
All right, first runner-up. Here's your prize.
Okay, ang nadaog.
Okay, and the winner is candidate number 4. Binibining.
Vagina.
Vagina Pin.
A crown.
All right, get the crown. All right, our new Miss Beginners 2000.
X-Men.
Pare-pareha lang kahit yan. Mura nagdayamon.
Okay, what can you say? Ito na ba? Hindi kayang crown.
Kusga koy.
Okay, would you like to thank anyone for your victory?
Alas, si
All right, can you translate that in English?
Thank you, everybody.